Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can apply to be a CapCut template creator. So if you guys like to edit videos and you want to become a CapCut creator to earn some money, so here what you need to do to apply as the creator. So what you need to do is go to your profile. In your profile you'll see this button, apply to be a creator, so you can create your own template. Okay, so here you can create templates for other people to use, and you can show your creativity, build your audience, and so you can also get cash rewards. So the more people use your template, the more rewards you will get. So here what you need to do to apply is insert your phone number in here. So I'm going to just insert a random number like this, and after that upload your portfolio. You can also import from TikTok. So make sure that your video is on high resolution. So add the video that you show your editing skills, and after that add your social media account like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, TikTok, or others. So add the link in here, and after that check this circle and click on submit. And after that you can just wait for the good news from CapCut team. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.